Can I file a tax return for my family member taxes with my FreeTaxUSA account? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in FreeTaxUSA.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of FreeTaxUSA. Now at the top right corner, you will find this option of Sign In. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials. Type in the username and then password. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of Sign In Now, and with that you will be logged into your account. You are able to file tax return for your family members using your account. They offer a feature called My Free Taxes that enables you to file taxes for up to 5 family members from your account. This feature is specially designed for users who want to file taxes for family members. Once logged in, look for the option My Free Taxes. This is where you can add family members to your account to file their taxes. Now add your family members' information, including their personal details, income information, deductions, and any other relevant tax information. Follow the prompts and instructions provided by FreeTaxUSA to complete the tax return for your family member. Then review the tax return carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once you are satisfied with the return, submit it electronically through FreeTaxUSA. It's important to note that when filing taxes for family members, you should have their consent and ensure that all information entered is accurate and up to date. Additionally, each family member should review and sign the tax return before it is submitted. So that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about if you can file tax return for your family member using your FreeTaxUSA account or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.